Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copy data from Yahoo Finance to Excel. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo Finance. Once there, use the search bar to find the specific stock, index, or other financial data you are interested in. Make sure you are on the correct page for that instrument before proceeding to the next step. This ensures you get the precise data you need for your analysis. Now that you are on the Instruments page, look for the Historical Data tab, usually found below the main chart. Click on this tab. You will then see options to select a specific time period, such as 5 years or maximum data. After choosing your desired range, locate and click the Download button. This action will save a CSV file containing your data directly to your computer's Downloads folder. With your CSV file downloaded, open Microsoft Excel. Navigate to the Data tab located in the top ribbon. In the Get and Transform Data group, click on From Text/CSV. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate and select the CSV file you just downloaded from Yahoo Finance, then click Import. Excel will then present a preview of your data. After importing, Excel will show a preview. Confirm that the data is correctly separated into columns, especially dates, open, high, low, close, and volume. If everything looks good, click Load. Your data will now appear in a new Excel worksheet. From here, you can apply various formatting, create insightful charts, or perform complex calculations to thoroughly analyze your financial information. It's that easy to get your data ready for deep dives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.